happy moment for me to share my experience and gratitude towards my family, that is Superstar students and parents. I'm really blessed and proud to be a Superstar student. First of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Chivia sir for creating such a wonderful platform for each and every person to fulfill all their dreams. Because every person will be having a dream to become a successful person. ತುಂಬ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕನಸೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಜ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಶೈನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನ ನನಸು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪಾತ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೌಡ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Because each and every study models, it's helped me a lot to become a very good person and to develop in my career and to develop my communication skills. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ models and the training sessions which our sir is providing. And the main thing which inspired me a lot means the Brazil sister culture and building the safest nation for girls. Because being a girl, even I need a safety, and this is the right platform, so which is creating an awareness to create a safest nation for girls, and it's showing how our parents play a very important role in our life. So if any person wanted to become successful in their life and they are dreaming for that and they will be confused enough for that, so there's a right platform. So let all join us to create a safest nation for girls and to develop ourselves and to make India number one developed nation. Thank you so much.